Hello everyone, my name is Mochammad Dira Lavril Pratama, and today I will share to you the 6 strategies to build strong and effective teams. So let's start with this question. Why effective team is matter? Well, according to John J. Murphy, the author of a book called Pulling Together 10 Rules for High Performance Teamwork, he said each individual has unique gift, talent, and skills. When we bring them to the table and serve them for a common purpose, it can give a real competitive advantage to the company. This implies when the whole team works in an effective ways, it can easily lead them to reach their purpose. And here I will share the 6 strategies to build an effective teams. First is define the purpose of your team. In this strategy, you will lay a strong foundation for success. Ensure that everyone understands why behind their actions and feels motivated to contribute. And here are 3 steps to define the purpose of your team. Step 1 is set the vision and mission for your team. This is very important because team needs a foundation for a successful teamwork. Step 2, align team goals with the project objectives and ensure that the team purpose supports the overall goals of the team project. The last steps in defining the purpose is discussing with your team. It's just to make sure is everyone is on the same page. We move into next strategies. It's assembling the team. This is a process of bringing together individuals with the right skills, experience, and personalities to work towards a common goal. Don't forget to follow these 2 steps when assembling your team. The first is assign roles and responsibilities. Determine the specific roles needed in your team. For example, you might need a specialist with technical skill and a leader to guide and make decisions and more. Each role should be clearly defined so team members understand their responsibility. The second is select team members strategically. So when choosing the team members, you should look for skill and expertise, compatibility, and loyalty. Yeah, after assembling the team, next we have determine the goals. Strong teams work best when the strong teams work best when they know exactly what they are working toward, and goals act like a roadmap. It's help the team to know what the steps to achieve team's purpose. Goals is different to purpose. Purpose is a why or the reason behind the effort, and while goals are the what and how things could do to achieve the purpose. But in a simple terms, purpose is like the destination. Then goals are the steps to get there. Without clear goals, teams might lack direction and leading to confusion and wasted effort. The fourth strategy will be set expectation. This means that each member has understand what is expected of them and they have defined the standard of conduct to the team, like what each person should do, what success look like, how we communicate, and how we work together. Setting the expectations will ensure that each member is conduct and the contributions are appropriate. The fifth strategy is monitor and review. The monitor means keeping an eye on the team's progress, like checking up if tasks are being completed on time, and make sure everyone meets their responsibility. Then reviewing is about evaluate what the team has completed. By consistently monitoring and reviewing, you ensure that efforts are aligned with the goals and the progress is connected to the success. We met the last strategy, which is celebrate and reward. This strategy will help to build morale and boost the motivation of the group to continue their hard work. For example, you can organize a simple or a small celebration for reaching team goals. And you can conduct a party lunch, or you can also give your members reward like bonus, gift card, or extra time off. So, so I have shared you the six strategies to build an effective teams. May these strategies can help you. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to hear your thoughts and answer any question you might leave in the comment section. See you.